two fair winners. Two winners for two regions, one in Vancouver and one in one in Kelowna. So whoever wins today represents Vancouver. Whoever wins from Vancouver by wins goes on to the next competition, which is in Calgary very soon. And whoever wins from Kelowna, again, will go to Calgary in October. So those competitions are coming up quick. Then after that, it's Bangkok. So hopefully you guys can go to Bangkok. That's next year. Well, we couldn't do this competition without support from our partners, and obviously our number one partner today is LaSalle College. You know, when I asked them, please, we need a kitchen to do our competition. We never worked with them before, you know, during maybe an event, a large event, but they jumped on it, and there was no humming and hawing. They were all over the place, and they welcomed us with open arms, and we totally appreciate. Am I supposed to mention Atifa for sure, the chef, and who else? Christine, I'm sorry, and of course yourself. So we appreciate your help on this. So thank you very much for celebrating. And we have some volunteers also. So this event can be done with just me and Helen and whomever. We have young people and the students here from LaSalle. B, can you come on up?
B, come on, and the LaSalle.
And LaSalle guys. And honestly, they could be, it's a long weekend. They could be away somewhere doing young people things. But instead, they're here supporting us and supporting this competition and the Chaine. So hats off to you guys. We will pass this up. There's a letter of appreciation and a Tim Hortons card because they're now a new sponsor. And Jose. Yeah. So again, guys, thank you for your time.
Well, there's two Jose's.
That's right. I think what we'll do is we'll go through the awards of participation. So that's everybody. So the first name I'm going to call is not the winner. I just want to go through everybody that's here and you know, get your picture done with our Chef Bruno Marty. Order of Canada, by the way, whoever doesn't know.
I take it.
And just line yourself up here when I call your names. Again, don't get excited. It's just, you know, we had an incident a couple years ago. We're going to go with Kelowna first. So, Connor Danby, please come on up. Thank you so much. You get a lovely book from Friedrich. That's another one of our partners. Sorry, come to stand over here, which I need to mention. So, Steve from Food Supplies. Again, graciously donated 2 knives, some books. Again, they're supporters of young cooks, and not just young cooks, senior team. So they're there for us anytime we need their assistance. So thank you very much, Steve, for helping us out today, and all the time to help us out. On Khalid Hart, please come on down from Kelowna. Adam McDonald. For pictures. And take a look too. Zach Bernardo. Caden Hung. And Tony Goo. French knife again from Friedrich, right? So you want to have this one up? I'm just gonna go right to the first place. We know who the second place is. representing Kelowna is Connor Danby.
Congratulations.
I'll give this to you. A lovely knife. Yeah. Connor, you want this? Okay, this is, I'm gonna go through second place first. Okay, this was a tough one. It was a real tough one. And it goes to show you that it was chaos in the judges' room. But in the end, it was the points that prevailed, and they were honest points. Close competition, but again, there needs to be a winner. And second place, I'll mention first, is Caden. Yeah, just stand over there. First place, you know, again, the split was pretty tight, guys. But the first place is Zach Bernardo. You do get a knife, and we do have another partner of ours, which the highest points will be given this gift. So we do have a $500 gift certificate from Russell Hendricks, Zach, which is going to you, and it was from Russell Hendricks. So buy yourself some competition. We have our winners. Now, keep in mind our judges here, they're here on donated their own time, and you guys, and you'll get to meet them because their critique time is, I would highly suggest that you get your critique from the judges, and you have 4 people that are ready to go right away. But again, thank you, Bruno, Atipa, Ruth, oh my gosh, Nucha, highly qualified. They did well in the tasting. We have Dr. Jane Ruddick. She's our coach for the national teams, junior team, and the senior team. So she's our kitchen judge, food and safety. And of course, Chloe, don't be shy. She's the captain of the junior team. She's an extreme veteran of international competition. So thank you guys. Thank you. I think this wraps it up. Thank you.
One by one?
Chef, the chair judge, or the head judge will figure that one out. How you want to do the critiques, Bruno?
What's that?
Critiques, if they want the
Yeah,
critiques.
no,
We can do them right at the table.
Absolutely. Anyone who wants to come, we're going to be over there, and you're going to ask us the questions, and we're
Yeah.
going to tell us what we believe. Remember, it's a personal belief, but that's what judges are. So I judged you once before, and I can tell you again.
And we want to see you at the Apprentice of the Year competition. I mean, come on, guys. You guys had guts to be here today and do your thing, and you guys all did very well. Just keep doing your competitions, and you just keep getting better and better. So hats off to our competitors, all our competitors.